Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars video of this 2014 64 registered Ford Focus 1.6 TDCi titanium estate. It's in Moondust silver and has covered 81,899 miles. The car really is in excellent condition. We have a Ford service history for the car. We have full service history, 6 stamps, all with Ford. Last serviced November 17 at 76,500. Service schedule for the car is annually or every 12,500 miles. Features like rear parking sensors are on this particular car. Tyres are all premium branded. They're all Michelin, and we have 6mm of tread on the rear and 6 to 7mm of tread on the front. Inside the vehicle we have a very nice, clean, light, sort of medium grey cloth upholstery. There's no rips or tears or any nasty odours. Have a set of carpet mats for the vehicle too. Twin and rear Isofix. A light grey roof headlining. Again, very clean. And just moving into the front. Very high level of equipment on the car. You have automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, front and rear electric windows. There's the multifunctional steering wheel where you have cruise control, audio features, volume control, answering telephone, etc. Digital speed display along with trip computer. Across to the media section where you have a Bluetooth music connectivity along with phone preparation, so you can stream music via Bluetooth, digital DAB radio along with dual zone climate control air conditioning, USB connection for charging devices and also using for iPod connection, etc., and a 6-speed manual gearbox. This one registered keeper from new Focus Titanium will be supplied with both sets of remote central locking keys. We have the handbook for the vehicle, along with locking wheel nut present, spare wheel and all tools. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Berkshire Used Cars.